Ryan here with a LionChief Gateway Project update. So today I made a sound effects module that's triggered off the LionChief remote and app. So here, this module can go inside a locomotive, it can go inside a boxcar, and it can be powered by a battery or the track. So here I have just the sound effects for the horn programmed so far, where if I press the horn once, let it go, runs a little bit long. I'm going to work on that. And if I press and hold it though, it loops automatically. So it's not the best. I'm trying to work out the little clip sounds from in between the loops, but so far so good. That's it for now, and more updates to come, more sound effects to come. Have a good one.